video, I'll show you how to set up the Pioneer Vozsis with Alexa app on your Android phone so you can access Amazon Alexa through your Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may have buttons on the side or across the bottom like this one, the on-screen operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer NEX in-dash receivers: DMH-2600NEX, DMH-1500NEX, DMH-2600NEX and 2550NEX, DMH-2600NEX and 2660NEX, DMHC-5500NEX, AVH-1500NEX and 1550NEX, AVH-2500NEX and 2550NEX, AVH-3500NEX, AVH-W-4500NEX, AVIC-W-6500NEX and 6600NEX, AVIC-W-8500NEX and 8600NEX. What software do I need to make the Pioneer Vozsis with Alexa app work on my Pioneer in-dash receiver? Let's start with the in-dash receiver. Go to pioneerelectronics.com. Next, you can use the search function here to search for your particular receiver's landing page. Just type in the model number to search. Click on the Downloads tab. Download to a USB flash drive and install the latest firmware update for your particular in-dash receiver. Your Android phone will need version 6.0 or newer of the Android operating system. You'll need 2 free apps on your Android phone. The first free app is the WebLink Host app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for WebLink Host from Abalta Technologies. Pioneer partners with Abalta on this free app. Look for this icon in the store. Download and install the WebLink Host app on your phone. If you already have the WebLink Host app on your phone, that's great. Next, search the Google Play Store for Pioneer Vozsis with Alexa. Look for this icon in the store. Vozsis with Alexa is a free app from Pioneer. Download and install the Vozsis with Alexa app on your phone. So for the first part of this video, I want you to see you don't need the in-dash receiver powered up. All you need is your phone for the first part of this. It's not connected to the receiver at all. You can see the receiver's not even powered up. So let's go over to the phone, and I'm going to check my apps here. You can see I've got the WebLink Host app installed right here, and I've got the Vozsis with Alexa app installed right here. So we need to set up the apps so they're going to work with the in-dash receiver. So we'll touch the WebLink Host app first. Now, you might get some questions about accessing your phone, that sort of thing. We're going to say OK to the keyboard here. And we have WebLink Host ready to go. Now, let's bail out of this one, and we're going to go and find Vozsis with Alexa. Okay, so here it is, and we'll select that on the screen. And it got the same sort of thing here. We have to allow access to the phone and to the in-dash receiver. And you're going to get terms and conditions here. I very much encourage you to read this. And the second page, and we'll agree. Next thing we'll see here is Get Started, so let's touch that. Now on the Get Started screen, you're going to see the Log In, Log Out screen. you need to have an account with Amazon in order to access Alexa. So this login and log out screen will allow you to put in your account information for Alexa. If you don't have an account with Alexa, just scroll down a little bit on this screen and you can create an account with Amazon so you can access Alexa. Now, I'm just going to plug my phone in through USB. Here, you can see that WebLink starts up, and it says it's connected. Now, I'm going to touch the home button, and here is WebLink. I'll select that, and I can choose Pioneer's Vozsis with Alexa. Now, I'll just tap the screen to get Alexa's attention. Alexa, what's the weather like in Pensacola today?
In Pensacola, Florida, it's 78 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for partly sunny weather with a high of 81 degrees and a low of 67 degrees.
You can do tons of different things with Alexa. Alexa, what's my flash briefing?
Here's your news. In Fox News.
Anthony, Fox News is a lot.
Alexa, play some jazz music.
All right, here's a station you might like. Ultimate Jazz on Amazon Music.
Alexa, remind me to call Felonious in 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll remind you in 5 minutes.
Now, if I want to go out to the Pioneer system, I can do that really easily. I can touch the home button right here. This takes me out to the Pioneer system. Now you can see the Amazon Music is still playing in the background. If I touch the apps button, I can go right back to it. Let's go back to the home screen. I can open my AV window and I can change to any other source, like the radio. And I can go right back to Alexa by touching the swap screens button right here. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What was Bruce Wayne's favorite baby toy? The Batmobile.
Alexa, how fast does the International Space Station go?
The International Space Station orbits at 17,200 miles per hour.
Alexa, play Brahms, Symphony No. 4.
Brahms, Symphony No. 4, Academic Festival Overture, Hungarian Dances by Johannes Brahms, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, put some cayenne pepper in my shopping cart.
A top result is my red ground pepper, 1.7 ounces. It's $3.44. With delivery by May 22nd, I added it to your Amazon cart for review. To purchase, say buy it now. I'm reminding you, call Felonious.
Thank you.